Hi guys, Rhonda without an H here with you. Okay, so today I'm doing something different. And by the way, welcome to those of you who are new to my channel, and I hope you enjoy your journey with me. And I hope everybody had a great Labor Day weekend and that you didn't labor too hard, just enough that you enjoyed your time. Okay, so I'm mixing things up today. I am taking a break, but I will show you. Let's see. Let me put this aside. This is actually sort of a random day, but I wanted to share with you what I've done so far. And the reality is, I don't work really super well when I'm trying to talk, and I just sort of have to think through it, and I don't want you to have to sit there and watch me think. That makes no sense at all. But I am going to show you what I've done. I've just kind of gone ahead and worked on this, and as this is evolving and it's turning so much fatter, and I took some of the pages out, then I'm not 100% sure that I want 3 signatures in it. I don't really want an alligator book. And here again is my, for those of you that haven't watched the whole thing, you can go back through and look. But basically, I'm putting 3 signatures in my book, and that, I don't know where the cover is on all of this, but anyway, as you can, and I haven't even really done a whole lot with the others, so you can see what's going on here already. And I really, it's like more is more, less is, I'm just not feeling like I want to make this huge, massive alligator book, and I'm already gotten there. So I'm going to have to make some adaptations. I'm not sure 100% yet what I'm going to do, but here we go. Just real quickly, I'm just going to show you the pages, and I'm going to try not to chit-chat. I've made some different things. I've done some since I was with you the other day. And again, these have not been stitched yet, my pages. Okay. That is the flip through. I have added a little bit of additional napkin to my cover. And I love this. I love this. It's small and adorable, and I love it. And so I'm not sure if I'm actually going to put it in this or not. But I will, when I decide what to do with this, I will let you guys in on the secret. And I doubt seriously that I'll do this on camera, bind it, because we each have to be who we are. And I really have tried to do that, but that's just not me. And I hope that's okay. But I have to be true to me. And anyway, so that's this project. So I'm kind of setting that aside for a little bit. Now, if you're working on yours, just continue. Just keep making those pages. Take your time. Whatever you have to be, and be okay with it if it's evolving a little bit into something different. Because that's what mine is doing. And I'm like, okay, I need to be okay with that. So I've got, this is another signature. I'll just show you a little bit. I've just kind of started working on this one. And so I'm thinking these might just be individual. I may just soft cover them and do something completely different with my hardbound. So this is one of the other signatures. And as you can see, I've been playing. This is the one side that had nothing on it. The back, if you recall. Excuse me. The froggy is in my throat today. So we have a pocket. This is a beautiful napkin behind it. So that's a change that I've made. It was this way on the back too, and I have finished that part. And I've done this. And here, oh, you guys, I have a love for embroidery, hand embroidery. And this is what I did with this. I was just playing around one day and drew a little house and some flowers, and then stitched a little bit of fabric and, added some clouds and stuff. And then I just decided to fray the edges a little bit and make a page. And so that's what that is all about. And continuing the house theme, I just drew myself another little house and some journaling pages here. And this is scrapbook paper that I had. And I just have been doing fussy cutting and my scrapbook papers and going around the edges, that we do with our distress ink or whatever it is. And so I'm pretty happy with this. This is really nice and sturdy. I love this. I've layered it. As you can see, I started with my book page. Excuse me. And I put some washi tape down for strength. And here's a whole nother set of washi tape. And I ordered these. These just came from Amazon. Look, you guys. Ooh, I'm loving it. Okay, so they just came. And I had to, sort of had to. They were screaming at me. And the pink matches the pink. I just did. Okay. So that's a good one. I've got that one done. I've got the covers done on this one. Haven't done anything here yet. This is just a very basic. So you've got just a little bit of fun going on there, but plenty to write. And then here's another cutout. You guys, I'm loving this. I'm thinking, well, why can't I use my scrapbook papers, and cut them up and such. So that's where I'm at with this one. So that's kind of catching you up with me where I've done that. And I think I'm going to stop this video because it's already probably plenty long. And I'm going to start another video and show you what I want to work on today. All right. Keep going, guys. I hope that this was a little bit interesting. Anyway, I hope you're having a fabulous day. Until next time, bye now.